Description: the ultimate protector and repair leave-in treatment. Offers the maximum defense against all heat appliances. Benefits: it will detangle and add shine while giving weightless volume to the hair. Suggested use: apply small amount into palms of hands. Massage into damp hair and style. Agadir Hair Shield 450 Hair Oil Treatment. The ultimate protector and repair leave-in treatment. Offers the maximum defense against all heat appliances. Adds definition and shine and is perfect for blowouts. Featuring our signature exclusive Agadir aromatic fragrance. How to use: apply small amount into palms of hands. Massage into damp hair and style. May apply a few drops to finished style for added shine and protection. Agadir Argan Oil. For centuries, Moroccans have considered argan a wonder oil and use it on their skin, in their hair, and within their diets. Agadir Argan Oil is derived from Morocco and is great for any hair type. High levels of vitamin E have moisturizing and healing properties, making argan oil ideal for regenerating and nourishing dry hair. An abundance of omega-9, omega-6, and natural antioxidants in argan oil help protect, repair, and restore the vital balance of water and fats in hair. Top reviews from the United States. I love it. I love this hair oil. I use it on my daughter and myself. Both our hairs feels amazing and it smell great.